Hey, this is Shay, and if you are looking to make up to $700 a day online, then you'll want to watch this video to the very end. Right now, I'm going to show you an awesome campaign I recently showed my students. I really enjoy showing my students these kinds of campaigns because it motivates them to go make their own successful campaigns as well. And today I've decided to show you the results of one of these campaigns. Just so, I can hopefully motivate you as well. Because if you are looking to make money online, if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or maybe you're stuck in a rut on a certain daily figure, which is okay, but you are looking to get to that next level. If that is you, then I want to help you break through and get to that next level. This is something that I've been able to do for my students for many years, and I know I can do the same for you as well. So this is just a really quick video just to show you the results of the campaign that I actually showed my students just a few days ago. So let's just jump in here. This is one of the networks that I use. I use many others, more than one handful, I would say, at this point. But this is a stable campaign that I've had running for a while. So I just wanted to show you a bit of what it's been able to do. So it's just defaulted to, it looks like the 17th. So back 3 days we're on at the moment. I just want to change that though. As you can see there, just almost $1,500 made in just about 3 days. Pretty cool already, but I'll just go back to September, and I'll just go back to the 19th. Let's just go back full month, so 31 days. And as you can see, the graphs has just got the figures. This one here, revenue right there in the red, visitors, clicks, and revenue per click. And you can actually see the headlines down here: visitors column, the clicks column, and RPC revenue is this one here. And if you don't actually know what I mean by RPC, revenue per click, it may be because you've never heard of it before, and it still surprises me even to today that more people are not using this method. It's a method that I teach my students, and many of them have gone on to make great money online. So in short, I'm getting paid for clicks. Okay, so for generating the click, not a lead or a sale, but a click. And if I hover over here, or you could look down the RPC column there, as you can see, like this one here, actually $9.76 per click. Okay, so $10 a click, and I've even had higher earnings per click with other networks that I use as well. But I'll just scroll down right now, and so you can just see some of the numbers here that this thing's been able to do. So within a month, we're close. I think we'll get there to $10,000 in this single network. Okay, so I've got others again, multiple other networks, a couple others earning similar to this network right here, some a little bit less, but it all adds up. And you know what? Most people would probably be happy with the earnings of just this network alone. And maybe you would be happy with just that. And I can help you get there. But let's just run through some of the numbers here. So 289 that day, 300, plenty of close to $300 days. 400, 464, 600, right there, 300, 658, 460, 389 again, 420, 586, $708 right there, and right here today so far. So today's the 19th. We're about halfway through the day. So I'm expecting this $514.52 to really creep up close to this other $700 day right here. And again, it adds up quickly when you are getting paid for clicks. Okay, so revenue per click. And I can show you exactly how I'm doing this, but I'm only going to show you if you are truly serious. if you've been trying to make money online for a while, or if you're trying to get to that next income level and you are highly motivated and truly serious, I'm willing to help you get there, as I do for my students. So, with that opportunity, all you have to do is take action right now to show me that you are serious. In the description of this video, you'll see a link right at the top. Click that link right at the top right now to get over to my site, and I'll go to my site right now as well so I can show you exactly what you will see when you get there and what to do next. So just jumping over there right now. So here's my site. So all you have to do after you've clicked the link in the description, just enter in your best email address right here. Then as soon as you have done that, click the Get Instant Access button. And that's all there is to it. What I will do then is send you a welcome email. In that email, I'm going to have some information about how you can get started right now. So go check your inbox, go check your own email address as soon as you've clicked that Get Instant Access button. So do that right now. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you really soon.